Hi, hello everyone. Let's do a quick mic check, see if everything works. Little bit of a late stream today, but still hopefully we'll get a lot done today. I think today I want to get some Lottie animations done. Maybe we can move the lobby screen and the result screen as well. Okay, I'm hearing myself. Music still doesn't work, but you know what? Maybe one day. One can dream. But yes, okay. I thought of a couple things. First of all, kind of what's on the bucket list. Stream side, I guess that could be marked to complete, but I want to move the GeoPuzzles to swiftui. Some more things I want to do is Bloom Studios and macOS app. I want to do another stream on. I want to start building some Safari extensions. A terminal. I have a website called nathan.fun. And I think doing some web dev would be fun on it. And the other things are nothing really that important. Or relevant, should I say, to the stream. Anyways, let's open up Xcode and begin. Begin away. If you just give me a second to pull it up. I have Xcode right here. It's called GeoArcade. Thought we renamed it. No, we didn't rename it to GeoPuzzles. But this is called GeoPuzzles. How do I rename? Called GeoPuzzles. Am I allowed to change? Can I change my bundle identifier if I released my app? Oh, everything break. Guess we'll never know. Okay, maybe that's something else I have to check off stream. But okay, I think I want to refactor the first screen today and maybe do the last screens as well, because I'm pretty sure everything works from them now. We're coming to the end of the refactor. Unable to boot the simulator launch pen. That's the first time I've seen that kind of error. But yeah, I think after we finish this, maybe we do. I think I definitely want to add one game, so I'll think what we can add to GeoPuzzles, what kind of game it can be, but maybe something small, just so we can have multiple and update it. But what I'm thinking is we probably next up, we'll probably work on nathan.fun. I can learn some web dev and I'll also share my experience. But yes, anyways, with GeoPuzzles, I kind of want to remake the screen, like just plot in the animation and change the journey, because this journey actually isn't needed anymore, I guess. And this is looking quite nice. We would have to make this full screen, but we'll get to that. And this all works. It will give us a random selection, and I could go Papua New Guinea. And this would be Tuvalu. A repeat of last stream, me just going through all the countries. Obviously I'd need to create an error and a thing screen, which I think we could do today as well. Australia. But I haven't actually realized how much we got done, because we got it all working yesterday, which I think is quite productive from me. So especially that talking and coding, I thought it would be a harder thing for me to do, because usually when I program, I do it in complete silence. I don't really I don't know, I guess have talk people through my problems. I know other people do it, and this one, it will give me a, why does okay, you know what, problems, there's so many problems. I think that was the last problem we had. We can resolve that finally. If this is equals false, which it will. Yeah, okay. Well, anyways, let's see what comments we have here. So we had previously to display the flag, and I think that's fine now. Do we want this to be a little bit bigger? I think we do. If we do it just kind of like dot title. I mean, that's not what I wanted. I need to learn how to do a. I was thinking also about doing shorts about just order, like just a whole playlist of shorts on every shortcut. I think that would be quite cool. But we want to do dot font and then do title 2 and then dot font weight and then go with semi-bold. See how that looks when it rebuilds. And we go to like Asia. Yeah, I think that's better. I like being a little bit. We can maybe even go with a full title. We also need to get the scores here to update. Okay. Well, let's move this screen to swiftui. So the entrance from that screen comes from, if we zone out the main storyboard, which is a complete mess, especially this one right here. Duplicating every single component was such a nightmare. But as you see, okay, so we already made this screen. This one's pretty much complete. We have to do this one, and I think this one will be quite easy to do, so I think we just do this one first. I think this one will be the best one to get out the way. But we go to that screen through the splash screen, which I think we're going to have to keep in UI kit, because I don't think there's a way to do it in swiftui. And I still can't jump to files, which is really annoying. Where are we holding my splash view controller? Is in styles? Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, so for the function next screen, we call it here. We wanna comment all of this out and do let lobby equals hosting view UI. We need to import. To do that, we have to import swiftui. You see, does swiftui support Lottie animations? Surely it does. So we would want to do UI hosting view controller. Then root, we have to give it a view so we can create one. And this would be in our, what's our swiftui folder right here. Let's just call it lobby view. I guess it would be separate, but we can separate it later on. We'd go here, we go swiftui view, we would select it, targets on. If you have multiple apps, you would have to select them all. Otherwise, it would crash the whole app, which I learned at my job, and thankfully that wasn't in production because that was quite terrifying. Anyways, lobby view, I think that would be a fine name. If you give me a millisecond to check something. Yeah, that's all good. Perfect. Okay. As always, personally, I just don't really like previews. That just also made me realize I want Xcode 14 here. I should probably move to Xcode 15 so I get the better version of the previews. So now when we launch, we're gonna just see a hello world. Now, how do I make this full screen? That's the question. I don't want this to be like modally popped up. Hold up, let me do a quick search to make. I don't like what we're doing here. Let me copy more of it maybe. I need to stop making that sound effect. It's annoying. How to present this in push, not modally. We don't want it to be as a pop-up. Aha. So we have to create a navigation view controller. And I think it can just be above view the load. No, within view the load. Okay, yeah, fine by me. So if we just smack that there, and it's I think it's because we're saying present, it's happening like that. So is there any other like present view controller? I guess navigation view controller dot push. And then lobby. And then true. Would that make a full screen? Huh. I don't know what to think about this. Is it crashed? Does this not have a text? It does have a hello world. This is a learning experience for everyone. Maybe just for me, because what the hell? Are we not using navigation control? Yeah, we... Navigation controller. Am I doing something stupid here? Okay, hold up. Let's just give the file. Let me try to understand this. Okay, I don't know what I want it to use a navigation. This absolute waffle. Alright, you know what? Enough time wasted. We're gonna rock with it modally. Pew 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 pew. Pew pew. Back button. Modally is best way. So we do this, perfect. Okay. And now let's recreate the view, which is it's really just a Lottie animation, I know. Button to go next. So hopefully that shouldn't be too difficult for me. I actually never done Lottie in swiftui. So how to add Lottie animation in swiftui. We have a quick medium thing right here. We can read it together. Okay, I'm pretty sure I have Lottie installed and I have my JSON. I need to write, okay, how do we wanna, let's get rid of the simulator for now and let's put this like that. Yeah, I think that works. Okay, so we want to import Lottie. I hope this also helps you guys realize how this works. What are we doing here? Create a swiftui view that wraps UI representable and is this needed? Okay. Oh, this is just a like just could have this underneath. Okay, so uses UI representable. We have a animation file name which takes a string, which makes sense. Loop mode. That's fine. That's like dot once dot amount. We could actually look at it. Yeah, play once loop. So we would want it to loop for this one because it's a spinning earth. Auto resize repeat. Okay, yeah. And then update and then make UI view. Returns lottie view. This is what we want. Okay, well let's try implementing it. Okay, we kind of just call it. It would be in a VStack because we have a button we want to do as well. Apologies, I am back and continuing lottie view, and we have our two parameters, I think you can say, that we have to pass in. Not sure what the name is, but we can do dot loop for the loop mode because we want it to be playing constantly, the spinning globe animation, and I think it's called spin 2. My question now is, do we, oh wait, it would be in the lobby view. Where's the lobby view? Lobby, yeah. Okay, just spin 2. We don't add the .json. I guess because they're all gonna be JSON. Really have to move everything. There's still gonna be quite a bit of refactoring, moving everything around now that I think about it. Here we have a view model. What's this view? Oh, this is okay. Quite an empty view. Let's run it. See how that looks. Okay. You know what? That's so easy. And then we just give it a frame. So dot frame, we give it a width of 300, height. I'm just eyeballing this, by the way. It will probably be different than the original, but I'm pretty sure the original when I made it wasn't even. Do we want to go for a bigger vibe? Maybe. A little bit smaller because I don't want it to be like touching the edges. And especially when people have like smaller devices, it might really ruin that for them. And then we have to create a button. So I really want to just create a library of components for like buttons and stuff. Okay. I'm just thinking about how like it would look on like a SE device, and like it might be absolute horror. Is it me or is it not getting smaller? If I make it 50 by 50. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Really? But when I do maxed, it goes crazy. Okay. Dot frame width. Let's do 100 and height 100. Now, does padding affect it? So if I do padding dot horizontal and I do like 32, would that like, no, it doesn't. Padding does not make a difference. I'm guessing it's something I have to do with an update UI view. Let's have a read. If we want to animate it, we'll pass in loop against. Shout out to Abdul, he made that. Would this work on sizing it? A scale effect. Oh my, but it kind of cuts it off. Okay, let's do like 0.8. I think we can have it quite a bit bigger, but oh, too big. 0.5. Playing with fire here. I think if we go like, it would start cutting off the animation. Huh. 0.7. Okay, so I think what we had with the previous one was... Can I like scale to fit this? Okay, and what if I do this, like, and then the frame width 50 and then height 50. This is a lot of experimenting, but I'd argue it's how you learn best. Okay, that works. We just do a combination of both, and I think that fixes it. Perfect. Okay. So if I wanna do that like 0.6 and make this 250, how are you gonna look then? I could even have it a bit bigger, I think. We can even go back to the original 300. But does the 300 make it bigger now, or does the scale effect make it bigger? I can't tell if that looks any bigger, but I'm sure if we do it to a 7, it will look bigger. Okay, scale effect. The more you learn. Okay, yeah, I think that's a perfect size. I want to put a spacer to boost that up to the top. And I would probably want to give it some padding from the top as well. Yeah, so like just do some dot padding, dot top, and 32. I like going in intervals of like 8, 16, 32, 64. I don't know why, that's just how we do it at my job, so I kind of just adapted that pattern. You see, usually we have the background, but I think it kind of looks nice just as it is without the background. I think it kind of has its own little cool aura to it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Be a contributor. Okay, and now we want to do a link destination? Navigation link with a destination. And the destination will be the select thingy magic. Why are you complaining? You're within a view. I want you to, excuse me, be a text. And the navigation we want to be, I had the whole GP select continent screen naming convention that I just let go. Okay. And we go here. At the spacer, I don't know if it's overlapping or something that I can't press it. Is it because we have to just whack this whole thing in navigation? I think that should resolve it, but I think there's another navigation view somewhere, so we might have to get rid of that. Yeah, but then it would double up, right? Because I think within this, we also have a navigation view, which I think we can just get rid of now, because you only have to call that like the mother place of where you're calling it. So if we do this, have a cool animation, text, perfect, and we can go all the way back here. This is so much easier in swiftui when you do it compared to what all the shenanigans had to go through with UI kit. It's such a, I guess, nice change. Just have to figure out this full screen thing. But you know what? Ooh, one thing at a time. One thing at a time. It needs to stop with the thing. Let me quickly actually just check, if you give me a moment, if what would I even, let me clear out some of the tabs. By the way, probably can't hear the music, but this is the one I always listen to in stream. Really hoping it works, but I don't think it does, but that's the one I use. How to full screen navigate Swift. Wait, no, but we're doing it from a UI screen, so can I do that? Can I just do dot full cover? It won't hurt to try. So dot full, nope. Dot full, nope. Last idea I have is here. Dot full, nope. Oh wells. You will need to set a state of showing your other modifier called view cover to your button. Design and code. Show model. But this is from Swift. Well, if we want to do it from UI, we'll get to it, because this is like a not a major inconvenience. Okay, and that's where it breaks if we just disband it, I guess. Okay, so when we press text, we can guess the country. Oh, productivity 1,000 right now. Okay. Okay. Where do we go from here? I think let's try to create a button, make it look nice. Or do we try to steal a button? I'll say let's try to steal a button. Swift UI button style. You know, is there any good like button style I can just steal? This is quite basic. Oh, and they did have like extensions. I can just do dot blue button or something. Dot button style blue button, and it's by creating this struct. It's alright. We're gonna steal something from here, maybe. Once again, quite basic. It would be cool if I could get something more mastering buttons. But do you have any pretty buttons that look satisfying at least? What's the change also between macOS and iOS? Why are they different? Is any actual reason? Okay, we're getting somewhere, I think. Huh. Okay, I'm getting desperate here. I'll take any nice looking button. They're all a little bit hideous, no? Unless we just want to go with the default Apple style button. With a symbol, don't really care about that. Capsule button, oh my god. getting at the end of the... Give me something that looks nice, please. You know what, we're going back to here. We're copying the struct. Where's my code? Smacking, not here. We're going to the lobby, to the bottom of the... we need to place these somewhere better. And oh, this is a button style. Will it complain about... what is a navigation link? Is a navigation link a button style? No, it's a view. So if I do dot button style, I would complain, right? Because it's not a, yeah. But if I do create a button with IDK, and this is taking way longer than it should. Could have. It's I've wasted so much time with this. Okay, it was supposed to be a shortcut, ended up wasting my goddamn time. Okay, we just have a text with, what does the text say? The text says guess the flag and dot font dot title free dot font weight dot semi bold, because I like it like that, dot what other parameters are there? We have to give it a frame with width, with max width dot infinity, and then we would give it dot dot frame height, because you gotta do those separately. We'll make it like 80. We have to look at the Apple human interface guidelines for buttons. What should be the height for buttons? Because I think this is a thing that I use often enough. Buttons. As a general rule, a button needs to hit at least 40. Okay, as long as it's 44. So let's go with like 60. See how this looks. I mean, it will just look normal. We'll just have like, yeah, we won't be able to tell until we give it a dot background in dot, wait, then dot, wait, then dot foreground, no, what was it? In which app did I do something like this? I created like this something in another app. I think it would have been Bandage. Okay, we're gonna take a little bit of a detour to an app called, it's not here. 1 second. If I open my files, go through all my projects, and okay, perfect. Open. If I open, I think we had it in here. This is like a fitness app I tried to build, and it crumbled. Sometimes you gotta know when to let go on projects when they are not working. When they're just not working out, or you have the ambition, and then later on you do research and you realize But it was a good learning experience with this whole app. Okay, there we something like this I wanted. I think. Yeah, you know what? Let's just literally exactly copy that over. Is there one where we use color though? Let's just do dot background and see what we did. Ultra thin. Color gray. Alright, let's run it. Stop toss. It's been a while since I've seen that. Kind of depressing. Think about all that time spent. Okay. And we make the background like this. Perfect. And how does that look? As long as it's presentable for now. I mean, I don't hate it. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. For at least a temporary button. And I think if we just do a padding dot horizontal 32 on each sides, I think that's quite nice. Get rid of that spacer and then do padding vertical 32 on each side. And well, bam! And then we have a bunch of other games here, and like we do like a scroll list type thing, you know. I think that would look great. Okay, I'm you know what? I'm happy for that. It's more of a modern look. And then we go here. You can select the thing, and then let's do if you get it wrong, journey. So if we get this wrong, we print you suck. Rather than printing you suck, we want to navigate somewhere else. So, yeah, we'll keep the you suck message. And for the you succeed one. Oh, wait. Wait. No, I'm crazy. Okay, ignore me. We want to just flag result? Would that work? How do I make it used? I mean, oh, we could do like a... like a sheet, I guess. I mean, we asked ChatGPT here, I think. He's your best companion for all of this. The results view if hits that if block. Efficiency, let result view navigation. I like how it's passing a current score even though we never told it to. Would that work? Just call a navigation. If that works, I ain't gonna complain. Snap that code. Paste it right in. And this doesn't have any parameters to follow through, so... And apparently this will never be called through, which makes sense. So I don't understand either. Yeah. Alright. I'm thinking we do a sheet. I'm not even bothered to read that because I'm just crazy, super lazy. We could do a sheet, I think. I think we do a sheet on the screen. Because then we don't have to worry about the button. We do dot sheet. What's it called? Maybe we have to do on the view. Dot sheet is presented. Alright, we have to create a at state var show result equals false. Then we bind it to show result. And if we hit the we give it this view and we just do show result.toggle, which toggle it's used for, it's an extension, or it's a property, it's a method on booleans. So in any boolean you can do a dot toggle with a state and think, and it will switch, like for example, from false to true and etc. So if we go here and we write the wrong name of the country, that works perfectly. Again, we showed them the right or wrong screen. Yeah, and we're doing like a sheet pop-up view because we don't want them to navigate back or anything. So we'll give them a couple options. What do we want to do here? What do we want to do? Okay. I think maybe see how it looks in the... Honestly, we might want to change it around. How does it look on the actual storyboard? Also, I keep getting just errors on storyboards. Another reason why I want to move away from them. So we have a label, a Lottie animation, a label, and a... we're gonna have to see it. So if we go back to where we create the splash screen, was it? Yeah, it was the splash screen. And if we uncomment this, and look how much less code it is as well. It's just always such a hassle. So now it should open through the other way. And I just wanna see... No, my music stopped because of this stupid... And I get a run. Oh, I need to create also an X to clear them. That is right. Okay, so this is wrong. Okay, so so this is some things I want to improve. I think I want to show the score. I want to show what flag it was supposed to be and make it like green, like yellow and green and red and all those funky colors and buttons. And then we have leave and try again. So if I leave, I should... Yeah, I think I should go back to that page. Okay. Let's start with displaying the animation, because I think that would be an easy thing to do. And I guess the flag. I think we'll probably add some kind of... I don't know. I think this is a little bit too bland. And, wait, did we add some spacing on top of there now? Since it's in a view. I think I kind of hate that. Guess it's here. Yeah, padding top. I think I want to get rid of that now because we also have the additional padding of the navigation view. And I don't think I like that. Yeah, okay, that is way better. And if it goes like this, it scrolls like that. Perfect. Still need to fix the amounts. When I'm getting closer, there's like 20,000 more steps to go. Okay, and do that. Alright, here is the results. Perfect. Going to the flag results. Let's just do, because how I did it, we can see how I did it here. And kind of, so we have a UI label for the title, info, and flag, which isn't connected. We have the try again and leave button. I should have probably labeled them buttons as well, but oh well. We have the animation. What's the flag label? Okay. We have the thing. Guess the flag dot which continent flag name. Yeah, it's such a mess. And this is what I mean. We had the like enum of results with pass and fail. I don't know why I do it like that. I hate people that do. I like doing case pass, case fail. I don't know. Maybe that's a personal thing. And we set the things again. And yeah, we have like a unload, depending which one it is. Show, I mean, we could do like a has, so we could do like a bool, like has succeeded, and then we can just have the different animations to show, I think, because we'll only have 2 journeys. And here we just have a bunch of repeating code with the thing. And you can tell I gave up because I call it the thing. Okay, so I think we'll have a var has succeeded. I realize my spelling isn't great, so I'll have to fact check that if that's correct spelling. So SSU seeded. How far away was I? Pretty much there. I don't know where everyone has succeeded. And hopefully that's the right spelling. I'm not looking at another word. Anyways, and this would be a bool. We'll pass it. And here we'll say has succeeded, and we'll do like a terrary, which is like I think that's what its name is. It's like an if statement. So it's saying if this is true, show this text, and if it isn't true, show this piece of text. So this is false, and this is true. So if this value comes back true where we pass it through, then it'll give this as true and this as false. So has succeeded if true. We just want to say, wow, amazing. And better luck. You're gonna be like, oh no, better luck next time or something like that, you know? Yeah, once again, scripting isn't really my forte, but we move, and I want to go to the lobby screen and just kind of copy this for the button and go here, and once again put this on a separate line, because we're going to do a has succeeded. And I don't know if this is the right, maybe there's a better way of doing it, but I think for this it would be fine. So we do a question mark, and then we do the whatever other thing, and we want to do sad and happy, and then it should be complaining somewhat because we're not passing in if it's true or false. And for now, let's say it's false, just false. And oh no, I got it wrong. That's on loop. We don't want that on loop, actually. We want to play once. And yeah, it's like a sad face. United Kingdom. Oh no, yeah, and we can give it a dot font dot title. Let's rerun that again. One second, let me take a water sip. Okay, well, apparently I wasn't showing my screen the whole time. Okay, no, that's fine. That's fine. It should update now. This is why I don't deserve any views. This is actually the reason. Oh my god. Okay. For the sake of the sanity, I will still go over everything, even though this might as well be a podcast now. Okay. Let me just went through everything we did for the past 1 hour. Past 1 hour, yeah, okay. We were looking at buttons on hacking with Swift. We looked at Medium articles about how to make Lottie animations within the app, and if I show you here, we have we import. Oh my god, 1 hour wasted. Import Lottie. We import the Lottie right here, and we have to wrap it in UI representable. So it's in its own struct, it's its own little component. We wrap it in UI representable. We give it a property of file name animation. Let me just double check for my sanity that it's showing up on stream properly. Okay. Thank God for that sip of water. That's so frustrating. Okay, that's fine. It's fine. I'll just go over the thing we did. You can still listen in spirit, right? Have it in the background. We have a loop mode, which is part of the Lottie framework, where we have a bunch of different options like play once, loop, auto reverse, repeat, and backwards, and we can set the floats. This is something we've been through before. Update UI, if you honestly haven't used that, probably won't. And here we have dot make. I mean, we kind of want. We're not calling this function. Actually, going through this now actually made me want to actually go back and read on what it actually does. If you give me uno momento, I'm pulling it up on my. There we go. The article. So this is the article I used where it shows you how to import Lottie and how people are using it. What's the dot make? Okay, we might need to just look into removing this maybe. Wait, no, but we have to play the animation. That plays it. Anyways, we have this magical component now all of a sudden, Lottie view. We give it a name spin to, which is what we had over here. And in the loop mode, we just want it to loop continuously. Frame 300 by 300, and that doesn't really work, so we add it with a scale effect, and if we put these two together, it kind of makes it so you can resize it as you want. So, fun tip of the day, I guess. Then we have the padding of vertical, top and bottom, and we have this button, which I spent honestly a lot of time looking online for a design, but I ended up just making my own default button, which will probably change, but yeah, it's good for now. And we have a spacer to push everything to the top as well, which is nice. And then we can. So this view is right here. Kind of just going through the code now. It's a scroll of all the things. Here's the view model for it, of all the flags. We literally just hard code all of this. This is the view model for continent. Not view model, the struct for it, everything it contains. And when we click one, we have Poland right here. But if we get wrong now, if we go to selection button, not selection button. Because, wait, actually no, we can go through selection button to guess flag view. We have a sheet now, which we created this property right here, state, for show result, which should be lowercase. You'll never learn your lesson. This is why we do code reviews, because then I can go back and understand what I'm doing. Paranoid again. Let me check that I'm showing the right screen. You know what? No, okay. I was gonna end it at like around 1 hour, but we're gonna go a whole extra hour to make up for the lost time today. We gotta make up for it. Maybe not an hour, don't quote me on that, but I'll give it another half an hour at least. Right. So, when we do this, we'll get our error screen, which will be, oh no, and we have our cute little guy within here. And something I'm gonna change is dot font weight, dot bold, and I probably want to make the font even more, and you can give it a custom one. But yeah, that's fine. Smack it all in a V stack. With a spacer at the bottom. And where do I want to go from here? I still need to do, I need to pass in the flag it was. That's one of the things I have to pass in. Oh, where is it failing? Show result. Yes, it's supposed to be lowercase. It's the things over there, it's fine. I'm still kind of bummed about not showing my screen for a while, but Right, so let's try to add the success screen as well then. Where do we do the success screen? We do it here. So could we do a second sheet? Like, could we just do a dot sheet? Huh. I'm thinking about this now, and how would I wanna... I know it's bad to have logic in here, but if it's true, then we want to show that. And would that be fine? Would that complain? We show the correct one if we fail here. Okay. People are like, don't do if logic in your views. It seems to be fine, at least for now. Probably a better way to do it, but you know what? For now, I'm fine with this. Okay, so if it is true, let's create it. I mean, if we do succeed, we wanna show toggle dot. But this will be, wait, what am I, wait. If we do that, show result. But show result would always be, huh. Yeah, that wouldn't work unless we make a whole nother one. This is where it starts getting a little bit... Yeah, if we're doing that, we might as well delete this, delete all of this, and keep that like that, I think would be best, because do Control I to align it all properly. 1 second, let me take another sip of water. Okay. I'm so devastated. 1 hour just staring at the wrong screen. How could I be so naive? That's all fine. That's all fine. This is all fine. This is all fine. That's all fine. Okay. Okay. How do we want to solve this? Like, I want to pass in a unless we do a different one. If we do show result 2, I guess. And then we just do another sheet underneath. Oh, I hate this so much, but if it works for now, you know what? Let's go with it. But I hate the way I'm doing. Yeah, okay. So this would show me the error if I get it wrong. Yep. And if I go for a correct journey, so back to good old going through Oceania real quick. Some more. I wonder if someone learned flags with me through doing this. That is the go of the app. And Kiribati, Nauru. This is Solomon Islands. We have New Zealand right here. Palau. What's this one called? It's Tuvalu. And we have Australia. We have. I keep hitting my mic. I'm sorry, Mike. Okay, and after this one, no, I think that's one more after this one. Yeah. So, okay, Marshall Islands, my favorite country in the world, please. After this, it should display another screen. No, because this happens before. Why do you go here? We're finished with the flags. So, okay, wait. When we go on submit, we submit our answer. How come we don't go here? Oh wait. If we just make that one, would that solve the whole issue? Because we still, I think that would solve everything. Because we still have the one we haven't removed yet. Still there, the one that we're guessing. So go Tuvalu, Samoa, Kiribati, Micronesia, Papua New Guinea. What's this one? Of course I know this one. Marshall Islands. Solomon Islands. But should it even ever hit that point? This is Fiji. And okay, so after guessing New Zealand, I should see a new screen. Perfect, amazing. We have the happy face animation. Oh, I'm actually happy. Okay, I'm actually happy with that. Okay, that's actually so good. Also, there's a dot full screen cover. Yeah. I think we want to be using full screen cover instead as well. So full screen cover, and it should work the exact same. It's just that it will, you know, it won't be like a pop-up. It will just be full screen. Yeah. So that's how perfect. Progress. We love progress. And you know what? I'm still showing my screen, which is another benefit. It's all going to, I would say a little too well, but it hasn't. I haven't been showing my screen for half of it. Okay, maybe a small thing, but we could definitely make showing those countries a little bit, I mean those flags a little bit bigger, no? Guess the flag view. And where are we? Okay, let's just go like 300 by 300 and make that 200. See how that looks. Okay, so let's say 250 and 150. That's a little too big. How about now if we go? Yeah, I think that's good. I think that's pretty good. That's a good size. Probably make text fields. The text field just doesn't seem right, does it? Need to make that look a little bit better as well. But besides that, chuff to bits. Chuff to bits with it. We have the oh no screen. And let's add the try again button. Let's add the try again. And it would be called play again if you do win. I think. Okay, yeah. So where is the flag results? Here. And we want to copy a button. Where did we make a good button? We did a button here. Should probably make this into a modifier so we can just pass it through quickly, but we want to make a button action label. And we still have to actually do so the score gets updated. Huh. That is a whole nother challenge to be done. What do I do here? What do I do? I feel like I need to dismiss. I forgot the command to dismiss. I don't know my other projects I think I've done dismiss journey. Okay, so this should have, yeah, guess for that's not the title. But if I open another project, which is another thing I showed where my screen wasn't turned on. If I show you guys this project, it's for a fitness app I was trying to build and I kind of gave up on it. Well, maybe I'll come back to it. Maybe I'll do a stream now where we go just going through it, because I think it's has a lot of content and I can probably learn a lot from my mistakes now. Even though it wasn't even that long ago, just 3 months. Oh, 4 months. Well, goddamn, time flies by. But what I wanted to steal from here is I think it's, what's the at logo? I forget. Environmental. Yeah, this right here. We want that. It's the way to go back a screen. We have to add the environment /presentation mode var presentation mode, and then we use it somewhere later to actually dismiss. Yeah, we use it right here on tap gesture. So if I paste it, I can copy both of those and then just put it back into my app. So here we want to add this sucker, and in here we basically want to say we just want to go back. That's all we want to do. We just want to go back, you know, just try again, you know, try again. is what we're saying. So this is the way you can just go back to the previous Wii controller. Since we don't have the back button anymore, we have to add it. And that's how we do it. So if we go guess, and then we can go here, and if we... Oh no, I got it wrong. And we can start again. Okay, after a wrong guess, we still have to clear the text field. Okay, let's do that fix quickly. So guess flag, and even though we got it wrong, we still want to clear the text field. Regardless of the guess. So something stupid, and it's clear. Perfect. Now the question is, Australia. Oh, I misspelled it. Australia. And then we have like Micronesia. And we have New Zealand. Right, and let's say I don't get Marshall Islands, but I go back. I'm already on Marshall Islands. That's not trying again. If I, well, it is, but like, I want it to start from scratch. So I kind of want to add a reset function as well. To like, reset all the values. Which, now that I'm thinking, maybe I should just move this all into, these two things into the V model now. I think it's finally time, so we just have this and we can actually work with this. Okay, this is gonna cause a bit of errors, but before this gets any bigger, let's take the check flag func, smack it in there. Okay, complaints. We don't have text field. Text field guess, which is a string. That solves that issue, right? Perfect. And somewhere here we should be calling check flag. Oh wait, it would be flag vmodel dot check flag, and it will be text field that we pass in. Yeah, perfect. And here, would we have to pass in the first array as well? Well, we have current flag right here, so we don't have to do the flag vmodel. And I guess a better way of doing this would be like let's just try to move one of them in. No, there's still 3 more errors. We can't call next flag. What do we do about that? Oh, next flag will be in scope actually, so that's fine. We want to pass in a binding for this. Do we do bindings in vmodel? I just had to say screw it and yes. And the first array as well. And wait, no, but you know what? No, we should just move first array into here. That would solve it if we do published. And we have first array. But then it would complain here that there isn't a first array. let me have a think. Okay. So this should now be flag view model dot first array, and maybe we could get this all as one value. I think that we need to like just do computed variables and have this all as one value that returns, so it's easier to read. Because when you have flag view model dot first array, like array of flag view model dot current flag, it's just not a nice way to read it, I think. So flag view model dot first array, and now we only have one error, right? Okay, let's just move this whole function as well. Maybe this is why you just make it all inside the view model rather than building it within the view. But you know what? It teaches me refactoring. Let's go with that excuse. Okay. How many errors? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, this is good because I'm pretty sure that means we only need value. I don't think we use value anywhere here. We can that, yeah, so we can just go into here and paste in value, and questionable if it even has to be a state. So you should all disappear, right? Yeah, okay, perfect. Now why? Okay, because you're already in the view model, so you know what you are. That's great as well. Okay, and you're already in the view model, so you're just current flag. And you're also okay. This is a nice cleanup. Nice cleanup. Now show results. I think we just have to do a binding for these two. Oh, this really fell a wrench in my plans. Okay. What's the best way to go about this now? Let me have a think. Now show results. I think we just have to do a binding for these two. Okay. Okay. So, is there a way we can just return here we do flag view model dot next flag. Okay, we just have the error for the results, which I don't. Would the binding work? How would the binding even? I guess if we pass it through here. Yeah, you know what? Show result a bool, and then show result isn't a where are you finding this? Okay, anyways, and we have one here. Show result 2. Wait. That means, oh wait, this will be so scuffed. You know, but we'll work with it for now. If we can get it to work from this. Oh, please. So here we're at show result 2. We have it right here, no? Or did we just break everything? Oh, we definitely just broke everything. Okay. Let's retreat for now. Let's retreat a little bit. Chill down a bit. Is there a way to salvage this? Does this look salvageable? Not really. How do I make that? Yeah. I mean, this looks way cleaner, to be fair now. That's on the nice side, at least. We have this much going for it. Okay, well, let's try to fix this one at least with just idk at and make it a bool, and now it should run me another error. But if I want to idk dot toggle, I want to bind it to, let's say, show result, and I just want to get rid of this one. What do you mean it's a let? It's not a let. How do I pass through a binding? How can I toggle this? Quite the struggle I'm in right now. Oh, if we just forget about the bindings for now and we try to cannot convert value show result of type by in here. Could we like Wait, why am I tripping so? Wait, no, wait, what am I? We can remove this. We can just move that into there and then call it from the view model, no? I'm crazy? Why did that take me so long to think of? If we just move that here and we undo all the shenanigans we were doing here with trying to pass it all along everywhere, even though the whole point is that we're supposed to move everything here. We have this now, and we have the other one as well. Right? We have both of them, and then when we go back here, it'll be, oh no, they don't exist, but we can just do flag view model dot show result, and then, I mean, $ flag view model dot show result 2. Right? And run, and it will work. Oh my god. Oh, it's overcomplicating things so much. It was such an easy solution. Okay. And now that we go here, and let's say we don't know what Saudi Arabia is, and we get the wrong flag. We try again. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so I'm showing the right screen. I'm still paranoid that I'm not showing. Okay. Okay, that's so much cleaner now. Everything we're passing through here. I'm so happy with that. Okay. Right. So this is purely now just text, an image, a text field. Some nice making it look better. Free ads. You don't get that. Go away. Give me more Animal Crossing music. Ads, not royalty free. Back to 1 hour of comfy and relaxing songs, royalty free vlog music. Shout out to Stream Cafe once again. Before they copyright strike me. No. Okay, so on up here we want to do yappa yappa yappa. Okay. That's all great now, yeah? With all of this working. And showing the error screen and the correct screen. Oh, I'm so happy with that. Okay. And we have this. Okay. I think now, since it's been almost 1 hour and a half, let's just kind of post back, see what we've done, see the journey, explain it. And I think tomorrow when I come back, let's just set one goal of getting the scores to work. So whatever the score we're getting when we log off the app and relog, we have the scores set. Because that means after that we just have to get the results screen to work, which we already started doing that. Why am I not continuing that? Short attention span, I guess. And that should be all fine. Yeah, that makes sense. Right? Okay, so we'll finish. What's left on the checklist? If we get the scores to work and the countries to show, we still would have to do haptic feedback, which I think will be quite a quick change. And sound effects, I might have to revisit them because I'm not sure how much I like them. So we'll revisit that. And maybe add a background here or something because it is looking a little plain. Some redesigns. And then we start on the next app we publish and we go Nathan.fun. The plan is in full motion. Okay. But yeah, let's just focus on the code and just kind of explain what it does, everything. We might, as I said, do some computed variables for some of it because it does get a little confusing. Okay, so it all starts. This is the first screen that gets called. It's my splash views. My splash view controller, which I guess is another. So this is the first screen we're cool, but we might want to call a screen before that for the bow animation. Or maybe not. I don't know. But basically all of this, all of this can be deleted when we get the rest to work. Wait, no. This is all being kept because this is the animation. This is the one thing that's staying the same because we can't do animations in. But I guess this could be done in swiftui. I'm happy to just leave this if this is the only part. But yeah, so after we play the animation in my scuffed way, we have a dispatch key main dot. Basically, it waits 1.5 seconds. And this command will happen, which is next screen, which basically we present the screen, which is the lobby. The lobby is it's where the navigation view starts. We wrap it in a V stack. We play a globe spinning animation on loop. We give it a flat frame, an aspect, and a scale effect, which we realized we need both of them to actually scale it properly, which was fun. Some padding. We made a custom button design, which will probably get remade, and added a navigation link to GP, which stands for GeoPuzzles, and I'm not using my own naming architecture scheme thing because I kind of just forgot about it. And selection continent screen view, and this is how the Lottie is made. So I just found this on online Medium. It worked just fine. We're keeping it. But I might need to delete some code for that, just for the sake of efficiency. When we go here, this is the list. So the vModel is right here. We just hard code each values, and we already like got all the flags just named and listed. And yeah, we just say for each in the vModel, create a scroll view for each of the locations. Just make a selection button, which is a component we made a couple days ago, which when clicked on it will take you to that one, passing the continent into the guest flag vModel, which we'll go into. But yeah, it's just the image as the background. It shows the name, the score, which is what we're gonna do tomorrow, and yeah, that will be probably user defaults we'll store in. Or app storage, I don't know, maybe we'll use app storage. And here we have the flag, guest flag vModel. Oh, we passed in the vModel, okay. I guess in that case we can just call it in. I don't think it actually makes the... but yeah, guess the flag. I guess we go here first. The continent, it's these values right here. Each one is created. We get the name, how many countries there are. This is just for the button image, and this is the flags we get to guess with. The text field, obviously for the text field, and we have the vModel, which we'll jump into in a second. Gonna redo the naming, but this is how many you currently got against how many there is. This is the this is showing the current flag you're supposed to get. So it's flag vModel.first array open bracket flag vModel.current flag close bracket close yeah, it's a messy name. We'll probably do a computed variable for that to give me a better name. And then we have a text field where we clear it and we call check flag in a function. And on appear we assign the flags. We also do a flag check as well. And yeah, if we return right or wrong, we from the vModel show result, we show them the screens. But we'll get to that in a second. So yeah, in the flag vModel, if we guess flag vModel, observable object, the current score starts with 0, current flag 0. This gets changed. This value changes on appear, I'm pretty sure, because we call the next flag func, which doesn't need it anymore because this is for debugging. Where we for the current flag, which is right here, we give it a random number from the array to pick from, so it's not always the same one. And we do 0 because we give it this because this would correlate to this and it won't crash when the image first loads, because on appear happens after they try to get image, which is something I've learned. These are two for the sheets, so if they either get it wrong or when they get it correct, we display the right sheet, which shows the right screen, a full sheet cover, I think it's called. Anyways, check flag, we call this func on, what do we call it, on submit in the text field, and we take your guess, we pass through the guess from the text field, the value, and it's a guess, and we remove the spacing and we make it lowercase, and then from the correct flag we remove an underscore, because the way I did the naming for it, I did underscores. If it's like a 2-word country like Bosnia and you can think of an example. I can't think of any. Actually, no, you know what? I can. Marshall Islands. That's the underscore. It will be Marshall underscore Islands. So we want to remove that. And that's how we compare the results. We want to make sure the guess isn't empty. If it's empty, then just do nothing. Wait. Oh, wait, but we would clear the guess. but we clear the guess. So think about it now. And if... Oh, wait, yeah, no, wait. Yeah, this means nothing. Because, yeah, if it's empty, we kind of want to return. This is why it's good going through it. Yeah, but if guess is correct, it should just kind of just be these two. If guess is correct, next flag, which also gets called on appear. And if wrong, we just want to show them the wrong screen. Here we're saying if basically we're out of flags, you succeeded, show them the right screen. And if not, this is only for the first case here, to not remove the flag. But after that, we want to remove the flag each time they guess the flag and assign them a new flag and give them a point. And yeah, I guess last thing really to show is in the... It's here. So when they guess it, you have a true or false that comes back. We set a go back because we have a try again button. And if they have got it correct, wow, amazing. If not, oh no. And we have a happy or sad Lottie animation of like a earth being happy or sad, which gets played once. Which maybe we will change that for each one depending. And yeah, the scales, and we have a button which just dismisses the view. It should also reset the results. So make it to reset results. And yeah, that's all we did, which honestly, quite a lot. Anyways, apologies for making half the stream being a blank screen. But at least it was a nice podcast form, and I think I still went over everything we did today. And yeah, tomorrow we'll work on the scores, so they're saved. Even when you close the app and reopen it, it will keep the same score, which I think would be a cool feature. But thank you for coming, and